Welcome back! This is episode 2 of 2 of How to Survive Exam Season. If the first one was all about study techniques, this one is about something just as important. How I took care of myself in such trying times. Because let's be honest, surviving exam season isn't just about the studying, it's about how to stay sane too. Morning, everyone. So, first step, waking up, getting out of bed. But after that, I'm getting dressed. Yes, I'm still in my pajamas. And I am just gonna stay home, but it is very important that I get dressed. But don't worry, it's not anything fancy. It's still gonna be super comfortable clothing. In fact, I think I'm gonna wear my robe that's here. So let's set you down. You can see my cat over there. And as you can see, super chill, nothing special. And not forget, rings, watch, and bracelet, just to feel a bit more put together. So at the kitchen table, I'm gonna have my breakfast, gonna have my bread with butter and my tea. As you saw, it's nothing super complicated. I like to keep it simple here. It's very important that I eat to fuel my studying for later. So our efforts start here with eating. And I'm back. Now I'm having my coffee. It helps me with my energy levels. Nothing will substitute sleep, I am aware, but and that is something that it is very important is for you to get enough sleep as well. Healthy eating, healthy sleeping. But little boosts never hurt anyone. I only have one espresso a day, and that's it. And I don't have any more of it. And while I sip my espresso and finally sit down to study, VoiceOver Me is here to share what helps me unwind the most. Walks. Get those steps in, soak up some sun, touch up some grass, literally, and forget about studying for a while. Bonus points if you find cats. At the end of the day, all the tools are out there. You've just got to do your best, and I'm sure you'll do wonderfully. Hopefully you won't need these until next year. Okay, bye!